Going to shoot, jump shot, may foul. First shot is no good. Second shot is good. Jersey number 4, and no good. Put back, no good pa rin. No, hindi ginawa. Jersey number 30, napakabilis easy 2-point siya para kay jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Nagulat na pasa. Jersey number 30 na mabilis. Binitritan pa. Grabe. Jersey number 29. Grabe. Circle shot is good.
Pasa na!
Jersey number 6, keeping safe. Jersey number 6, 3 points. Jersey number 27, no good pa rin. Jersey number 30, pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 30, pass to jersey number 6. Jump shot is good. Jersey number 29, no good. Jersey number 6, no good. Jersey number 44. Nice footwork, masyado na malakas. May pa. First shot is good. Second shot is no good. Is good. My foul. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Third shot is no good. 2 out of 3 para sa kanya. Jersey number 50. Hesitate. Pass jersey number 27. My foul. Jersey number 2. Third personal foul. Correction na second personal foul. Third team foul. Grabe, si 2 points. 14 to shoot.
Naging Superman.
Balisain po.
Jersey number 13, jersey number 87, pass to 6. Jersey number 18, bordering no good, masyado malakas. Put back is good para kay jersey number 6. 18-point lead para sa 2004. Jersey number 44, kanilang likod. Jersey number 4, no good. Jersey number 27, pass to 18, easy 2 points. High foul. First shot is no good. .3 para sa 2004. Jersey number 87, minute, Vita no good, the rebound is 2, put back no good pa rin, rebound is 4. Pass break para kay 13, masyadong malalim. Jersey number 27, easy 2 points.
Wow.
Grabe si Irgus. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Nice pass, nice pass. Bad shot. Put back, easy 2 points. Ano yan pa rin? Remaining time last 3 minutes sakto.
Ay, kita ulo mo eh.
Nakatama siya mukha eh. No foul!
Jersey number 29, no good yan. Jersey number 87. Apat sila dyan. Easy 2 points pa rin yung mga doon.
Ay, naririnig. Narinig.
Jersey number 4, 3 points para kay 4.
Time out na?
Time out, sir. Ayaw na lang tamigil.
Ayaw na lang. Napapagod na sila. Time out na lang daw kami. Time out na. May time out pa kayo. Banat, Neil!
Jersey number 6, 3 points para kay 6.
Secret weapon yun. Secret weapon. Airport, parport lagi dadating.
Last 2 minutes.
Oh, kumaga.
Last 2 minutes na po tayo pag sa ating fourth quarter.
Kaya sa itong saan na kaya tayo sumab?
Mapaul ako ng tapos.
Huwag na, kaya na nila eh.
Foul!
Take it.